Hello everyone, and welcome back to Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons. We're going to jump right back into the story. This might be our last episode, unless I am forgetting a large part of the game. I think we're close to the end. It might be a fairly long episode, but I think most of them have been. Look at these beautiful northern lights though. Look at them, they're so pretty. The brother doesn't like the idea of this cave. So we crawl into this cave. She moved that rock, like, without even trying. I'm feeling we're about to have something bad happen. We can't go up there. There's definitely a spider. Oh no. We saved you from crazy people. And this is the thanks we get? Now we have to beat the giant spider. Ugh. Little brother moves so fast compared to big brother. Ugh. Icky. Oh. She seems unhappy about this. But that's okay, I am just generally unhappy about this situation anyway. I have no idea what we're supposed to be doing now. I don't think there's any, like... Okay, we just have to hit her faster than we had been. Good luck walking now. Creepy spider lady. We helped you. He wants to go after his sons. Little brother was right about her. What? That's not where we're supposed to go? But... This is the only place that it would make sense for us to go. Oh, can we just walk over this snow? Oh, okay, we can. Oh, we end up going that way anyway. Sleepy Slidey. Oh no, Big Brother is not doing well. The tree! A giant tree. It's time for us to climb the tree we've been looking for this whole time. This is one very hollow tree. We're already very high up. Little brother is very brave. I'd be so scared if I were up in a tree this gigantic. The healing water. This is what will heal Dad. Little brother. We're back home now. You can see their mother's grave under the tree. We have to get back to Dad. It's very important. We can heal him now. This guy can jump so much better than I can. You have to get back to Dad. He has to do everything that Big Brother did now. Poor little brother. My dad's out by the grave. Well, guys, that was it. That was the game. That was Brothers: Tale of Two Sons. It starts off really pretty and kind of carefree, and it gets really sad at the end. The first time I played this through, I cried my eyes out. I was so upset. But there you go. That's the game. There were some of the achievements I didn't go back and tell you how to get, but they're pretty simplistic. One of them's just going down to that beach that we came back on in this episode, right at the beginning of the game. The girl who we played basketball with briefly, if you throw her ball down a well, that gets you an achievement. I don't know why on earth you'd want to do that, but you can. But that's pretty much the whole game. There's not really extras. It just is, everything's there. It's not a long game, and if you've been watching this whole series, you'll know. I played through it in just a few hours. But I think it's a really, really good game, and it's a really pretty game, and I love the story, and I love the novelty in some of it. I like that. The voice acting, younger brother, and then old bro. It looks like it just got cut off by accident. My nose itches. So, I'll let the credits roll out. The music's really pretty. Music went away. I don't know any other games that were made by the same people. If anyone does know of them, or even just games that are similar to this one, let me know. I'd love to play them. Games like this that just suck you in, and then you feel like you're actually a part of it, are really, really good. I love playing them. I love seeing them. I love this game. This is my second full playthrough on it, but I've loved it since I started playing it the first time. this should be about the end of the credits, I think. But I definitely suggest other games like this to me. I would definitely play them. The way that it makes you think that it's such a carefree game at the beginning can be a little unnerving when you get to the end. The giants, the spider lady, although I mean she did several things that suggested that she wasn't normal. She jumped a huge chasm, she moved a huge boulder with acting like it weighed nothing. All those things. And we're back at the title screen. So the only thing I could do would be replay the different chapters of the game, but you just saw me do all that, so there's not really much of a point. Anyway, that's going to conclude our playthrough of Brothers: A Tale of Two Sons. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And as always, I'm the Purple Pegasus, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye!